Hi guys, this is Mr. Gagnet again, and I'm going to give you an example of how to solve one of the average speed problems, a more simple one where you have to calculate the average speed of an entire trip. So let's look at number 20. Okay, this is number 20 on the homework. Okay, so it says a bicyclist travels the first 700 meters of a trip at an average speed of 8 meters per second. So the distance 1 is going to equal 700 meters. Okay, that's the first part of the trip. And then it says the speed is speed 1 is equal to 8 meters per second. Okay, and then it says travels the next 600 meters. Let's see, 600 meters. And it travels it in it doesn't tell you the speed, but it does tell you the time. Okay, it says it travels for a time of 90 seconds. And then the third part of the trip, D3, S3, T1. Okay, the third part of the trip, it says it travels the last 50 seconds. Okay, 50 seconds at a speed of 21 meters per second. Okay, so we've got three things here. Okay, and it's asking us to come up with the speed average. And we know that the speed average is the distance total over the time total. Okay? Distance over time total. So if we look over here, we're missing some times and distances. So in this case, the time we got to figure out in this portion is the distance over the speed. That's 700 divided by 8. So we can just figure that out really quick. Okay, about 87.5 seconds. In this case, it's really unnecessary to find the speed of the second one because we're given the distance and the time. And in the third part of the trip, we do have to find that distance. And we know that it's speed times time, or 21 times 50. Okay, the distance is 1050. Okay, so now we have the total distance and we have the total time. So let's go ahead and figure it out. Total distance is the addition of these three. That's your total distance, and your total time would be the addition of those times. Okay, and then simplifying, 2350 meters divided by 227.5 seconds is a speed of 10.3 meters per second. Okay, and that's how to get the average speed of that entire trip. And that's having a trip that has three sections, 1, 2, 3. It's kind of nice to divide them up so you can see how many sections you have. But generally, that's what you'll have in class is just 3 or 4 parts of the trip. It does become more difficult when you have to find like a speed of one part, okay, given some information here, or even a time of one part. But we do discuss number 24, and that's more of a problem. Okay, so hope everyone has a great day, and we'll see you later.